Hello everyone and welcome to another The DIY Workshop tutorial. In this video we will show you how you can do a full maintenance job on a BMW F10 equipped with a 2.0 liters diesel engine. If you like our tutorials, you can reward our effort with a simple tap or click on the subscribe or like button. Also, don't forget to share your opinion about this tutorial in a comment. Okay guys, let's get cracking. Obviously, for a full maintenance you will need the new oil, the new set of cabin filters, the new fuel filter, the new air filter, and of course the new oil filter. First, we went under the car to remove the drain plug. To have access to the drain plug, you need to take out this plastic cap locked in place by an 8mm bolt. Now you just twist the cap counterclockwise. For the drain plug, you will need a 17mm socket. Then we went back up and removed the engine cover. As you can see, on this model the air filter is located right under the cover. We detached the two intake tubes to take out the air filter's housing. Now you have access to the oil filter's housing. To remove the cap, you need a 27mm socket. Place the cap and the oil filter into a container. Remove most of the used oil trapped in the housing using a syringe. Clean the rest using paper towels. Twist the new oil filter until it goes all the way in and you hear a click sound. Take out the used O-ring and clean the cap using brake cleaner. Insert the new O-ring and moisten it using some new engine oil. Thread the cap over the new oil filter and tighten it up to a torque of 25 Nm. We then removed the air filter and used compressed air to take out all the dirt. The new air filter is really easy to fit in place. Now you can place the air filter's housing back in position. If the oil stopped dripping under the car, it's time to replace the metal washer and thread the drain plug back in. Clean any oil spills and tighten the drain plug up to a torque of 25 Nm. Place the plastic cap back on, fix it in place with the 8mm bolt, and you are done with the oil change. If you have to replace the fuel filter too, you got to take down the entire splash shield and then a side trim. I'll just skip to the side trim because there are quite a lot of screws holding the splash shield and I don't want to bore you with that. And the fuel filter is right over there. So let's take out the side trim. Remember, when replacing fuel filters on cars equipped with keyless go, you should keep the key outside of the car. Otherwise, the fuel pump may start during the procedure and fuel will spill all over the place. Now you need to remove this 10mm nut to take out the large plastic clamp. Take out the large metal clip. This clamp is surely not the original one, but it looks like it's done a good job until now, so we will keep it. Pull and wiggle the directional valve in the same time to detach it from the fuel filter. Attach the valve to the new fuel filter and insert the metal clamp. When we were placing the large plastic clamp over the fuel filter, we realized that we forgot the big rubber seal on the old fuel filter. Don't forget about that one because it helps hold the filter fixed in place. Now that you finished replacing the fuel filter, you're done working under the car. The oil capacity for this engine is 5.2 liters. This car has two cabin filters and they are located on the passenger side under the glove box. First you'll need a T20 to remove these two screws. Take out the plastic trim. Remove the connector for the light under the dashboard and place the trim aside. Take out the 3 screws holding the cap of the housing. Now you can replace the 2 cabin filters. When inserting the new filters, don't forget to check the airflow direction drawn on the side of the filters. The two are identical, so it doesn't matter which one goes where. The last step is to bleed the fuel system. For this you will need a diagnostic tool. After the bleeding is completed, you can start the car and let it run for a bit. Don't forget to perform a final check of the dipstick after the engine rests for at least 5 minutes. And that was it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for free, like or leave a comment. Until next time, we wish you all the best, and remember, the DIY workshop saves money. Bye bye!